Hey foodies, it's Sophia from Simply Chinese Eats. Today, we're making chicken fried rice that's so good, it'll make your takeout guy cry with flavor, of course. This is the ultimate comfort food that's fast, flavorful, and budget-friendly. Plus, I'll show you how to turn fresh rice into the perfect fried rice base. No more soggy grains, no more guesswork. Ready to level up your kitchen game and impress your taste buds? Let's go! First, let's tackle the rice. If you're using fresh rice, here's the trick. Use less water, just half a finger joint above the rice. Add a tiny bit of oil, then cook as usual. Once it's done, cool it in the fridge. Or, if you're lazy like me, use day-old rice, it's a lifesaver. You'll need 2 chicken legs. First, remove the skin and cut it into small bit-sized pieces. Chicken skin might not look like much, but trust me, it's packed with flavor. We're saving it to render out the fat later, which will be the base of our fried rice sauce. When cutting, try to keep the pieces uniform so they cook evenly. And here's a tip: if the skin's too slippery, use a paper towel to grip it better. Next, let's chop up some green onions. We'll separate the white and green parts. The whites bring sharp flavors, while the greens add freshness at the end. Now let's finish prepping the rest of the ingredients. Start with a cucumber, cut it into small, even cubes. Then peel and dice a carrot. Keeping the pieces uniform helps everything cook evenly. Lastly, slice up a ham sausage into small bits. Here's everything we've prepped: cooked rice, diced chicken, a mix of cucumbers, carrots, and ham sausages, chopped chicken skins, scallion whites, scallion greens, and 1 whole egg. With everything ready, we can start cooking. Now, let's make the magic sauce. Aka, the MVP of this dish. Heat a pan, add the chicken skin, and let it sizzle until it releases its golden goodness. Pour that hot chicken oil over the white parts of the green onions. Mix 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of sugar. This sauce is so good, it should come with a warning label. Crack an egg into the cooled rice and mix until every grain is coated. This is the secret to fried rice that's fluffy, not mushy. Heat your pan, add oil, and stir-fry the chicken until it's golden and gorgeous. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for that Insta-worthy color. Once the chicken is lightly browned, add the rice into the pan and spread it out so it touches the surface evenly. Let it sit over low heat for about 30 seconds. This helps the steam rise and removes excess moisture. Then turn the heat up to high and quickly break up the rice. Stir-fry to separate the grains and let the remaining moisture cook off. This step gives the rice that dry, fluffy texture we want in fried rice. Now pour in that magic sauce we made earlier, the one with chicken oil, scallion whites, and soy sauce. Toss everything quickly so the rice gets coated evenly. As it hits the heat, the rich aroma of that sauce starts to soak into the grains. Add the diced cucumbers, carrots, and ham sausages. Give everything a quick stir to mix the flavors and colors evenly. And there you have it: crispy, flavorful chicken fried rice that's better than takeout and faster than delivery. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, the secret ingredient is always a little bit of chaos.